Hi, friends! I'm Maya, and you're on the Everyday Dialogue channel. Today's topic is very exciting. I have a party tonight, and I want to completely change my hairstyle. I'm going to the salon to talk with my hairstylist about the options. Let's learn together how to talk about hairstyles in English. Let's go!
Oh, hello. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm Maya. Today, I need to choose a new hairstyle for my party tonight.
Nice to meet you, Maya. I'm Santiago. What kind of party?
It's my friend's birthday. It will probably be very crowded.
Great. So you need to look very special.
Exactly. What style do you think would suit me?
Well, let's see. First, look at this long pixie with layers.
It looks cool, but isn't it a bit too short for me?
Maybe you're right. Your hair is long now. That's a very drastic change.
Yes, I'm a little scared.
Don't be scared. We have many options. How about this short curly bob?
The curls are nice, but my hair is straight. How do I make it curly?
We can curl it with rollers or a curling iron, but it takes time.
I have time for the party, but I don't want it to be too difficult.
I understand. So maybe a layered pixie is better?
Still too short. I might want to keep some length. Do we have a shag style?
Yes, here it is. It's very trendy.
Yes, I like this one, but my hair is very thick. Won't it look messy?
No, we'll adjust the layers to fit your face.
Great! What about color? Do you think blonde would suit me?
Maybe honey blonde? It's not too light.
Does coloring damage the hair?
A little, but we use good products. Don't worry.
Okay, I trust you.
So, a layered shag with honey blonde highlights.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, first we'll wash your hair.
Ah, that's very relaxing.
What time does the party start?
At 8 p.m., it's 4 p.m. now. Do we have enough time?
Yes, we have enough time. Don't rush.
Thank you. I always get stressed for parties.
Why? A party should be fun.
I know, but I'm always worried about my look.
You are beautiful. This new style will be amazing.
Thank you, Santiago. So, what are you doing this weekend?
Me? Probably resting. This job is sometimes tiring.
Really? But you talk to people so well.
Thanks, I hear a lot of stories.
Like what?
Oh, some people talk about jobs, travels, or even love problems.
Wow, you are like a doctor here.
Yes, maybe. Now keep your head down.
I hope it turns out beautiful.
It will, trust me. What's your favorite music for a party?
I like pop and dance music. How about you?
I prefer classic rock, but for work, I listen to everything.
Interesting. Have you ever changed your own hair crazily?
Yes, once I dyed it green. It was so bad.
No, really?
Yes, but fortunately, hair is short and grows fast.
I would never have that courage.
But you are today. This is a big change.
That's true. I feel brave.
Now we wait 20 minutes for the color to work.
Okay, can I use my phone?
Of course. I'll also check if my next client is here. Almost done. Are you excited?
Very. I can't wait to see.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow! This is amazing! I really love it.
See? I told you it would be great.
Thank you, Santiago. You are a magician. Now I'm totally ready for the party.
I'm glad you like it. Please send a photo.
I will. Now I need to go and get my dress ready. Thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful night, Maya.
You too. Bye. And that was our conversation today about changing hairstyles. I hope it was helpful. If you like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Write your comments below on what you want the next topic to be. Until the next video, goodbye.